There is nothing worse than opening your camper door and being hit with that awful sewage smell. I've been there, and I got sick of trying products that just mask the odor with a weird perfume. So I bought and tested the 5 most popular toilet chemicals, from tank treatments to gelling powders, to see which ones actually break down waste and kill the stink. Here is what works. Product number 1, Easy to HD RV Toilet Treatment. First up, I grabbed this big bag from Easy to HD. It comes with 50 packets, so just holding the bag, I knew this would last me a whole season. The convenience factor is huge here. You just drop a blue pod into the toilet and flush. No measuring cups or messy liquids. When I tested this on a week-long trip, the performance was solid. It uses bioenzymes to break things down. When I went to dump the black tank, I noticed the waste was completely liquefied. There were no clumps of toilet paper clogging the hose, which is usually the worst part of the job. It didn't have a strong chemical smell, just a neutral, clean vibe. If you are a full-time RVer looking for a bulk option that keeps the plumbing flowing smoothly, this is the best bang for your buck. Product number 2, Ann Katie Super Absorbent Polymer. Next, I looked at this kit from Ann Katie. This is different because it's not for a holding tank, it's a complete kit for bucket toilets. It comes with 30 thick bags and 30 packs of powder. I really like that the bags have drawstrings. It makes tying them up way less gross than standard trash bags. To test it, I set up a portable commode and poured the powder onto some liquid. The reaction was almost instant. Within 2 minutes, the liquid turned into a solid gel. This is a massive benefit because it prevents splashing when you move the bag and traps the odor inside the gel. It fits standard 5-gallon buckets perfectly. If you are tent camping or living out of a van without plumbing, this all-in-one kit is a lifesaver. Product number 3, Active RV Black Tank Treatment. Then I tried the Active Black Tank Treatment. This is a heavy 32-ounce bottle of concentrated liquid. Since it's a liquid, I found it starts working immediately without waiting for a pod to dissolve. You do have to measure it out, which takes a second, but it gives you more control. The big selling point here is the sensor cleaning. My tank sensors were reading full even when empty, a common annoying issue. I poured a stronger dose of this in, let it sit, and drove around to slosh it. The enzymes actually ate away the sludge on the probes, and my sensors started working again. It also destroys odors better than the cheaper stuff. If you have an older RV with glitchy sensors or a stubborn clog, this is the heavy-duty cleaner you need. Product number 4, Firebelly Outfitters Pods. After that, I tossed in a pod from Firebelly Outfitters. The first thing that hit me when I opened the bag wasn't that harsh chemical burn, it was a mulberry scent. It actually smells pleasant, which is rare for these products. The bag reseals nicely to keep moisture out. I used this during a hot weekend, which is usually when tank smells get really bad. The triple action formula held up great. It neutralized the odor rather than just mixing with it. When it came time to empty the tank, the toilet paper was fully broken down, so the enzymes are definitely strong enough for the job. It's also formaldehyde-free, so it's safe for campgrounds. If you have a sensitive nose and want your bathroom to smell like berries instead of a chemical plant, get this one. Product number 5, Portable Toilet Powder. Finally, I checked out these toilet powder sticks. They look like little instant coffee packets, which makes them incredibly easy to stash in a glove box or hiking backpack. I kept a few in my car just in case. I tested this with a portable emergency toilet. The powder is very fine, and like the other gel product, it works fast. It's designed to treat smaller amounts, about half a gallon to a gallon. I watched it turn liquid into a gel in minutes, which completely kills the smell. It says it degrades naturally in soil, which gave me some peace of mind regarding disposal. If you are a hiker or need an emergency backup for road trips, these little sticks are perfect to keep on hand.